Hi guys, in this video we will see how to replace the thermostat thermal valve element for the LG 75. The first thing is you should remove the circlip internal which covers the thermostatic plug. So once you remove the circlip internal, and you can take this out, the thermostatic valve plug. So once this comes out, you can see the thermal valve element sits on the piston, and the piston sits on the spring. This is you can see how the element sits inside the housing. You can use the circlip to take this out. That's the element sitting on the piston. So behind the piston there's a spring. So you should always remember the position, that spring first, then the piston, then the element, and finally the thermostat plug. This is how the element sits on the piston, and this is a new element. So now we fix the new element on the piston. This element is 65 degree. So make sure that the element should completely sit inside the piston. There should not be any gap. So once you put the piston and the spring, you can put it inside the housing. This is a well fit element on the piston. This is how the fit should be. The bottom the spring goes. Then you can assemble everything as you have removed. Put it back inside the housing. Gentle push inside, and then you can put the thermostatic valve plug and press it in, and once it gets locked, you can close it with the circlip internal. That's it guys.